Part of what makes a residence luxury is the fact that it's suited to one's own needs and tastes. And we at the Heritage recognize that many buyers might want to achieve the ultimate level of luxury by being able to customize their home. And what we've done is provided them the opportunity to build a custom residence while achieving the low maintenance lifestyle that's afforded in condominium living. So when a buyer enters a designer-ready space, they're going to see a relatively raw space. It's a space that has wood floors down, it's all framed out for kitchen, drywall is in, and there's a coat of paint on the walls. And from there, the buyer has the beauty of selecting their own finishes and fixtures to suit their own tastes. Typically, the process involves choosing kitchen countertops, tile, backsplash, the color of the wood floors, and even kitchen cabinetry style and color. In addition to that, buyers can choose vanities and how they want to outfit their bathrooms and kitchen in terms of plumbing fixtures. Each unit comes standard with a detailed specification of what's included in the unit. This includes everything that's required in order to make a unit complete to a luxury level. The standard specifications are top of the line. This includes sub-zero refrigerators, Wolf stovetop and range, build the unit out to a luxury level. However, if a buyer wants to choose something that's not on that list, they're fully able to do so. It's quite a simple process. They only pay the difference between those two. The designer-ready process is fun and actually very easy. We lay out the path from A to B, and we make the selection process very easy. Anytime a buyer can look at something and see something that reflects their aesthetic, it kind of enriches the home in a way. The original concept behind the Heritage was that there's no compromise to luxury. We recognize that buyers look around for a long time for the ultimate and perfect home. We think they can find it here with the customization that we afford at the Heritage.